Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, North Central Albert County, Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, West Central Washington County in northeastern Colorado, Adams County in northeastern Colorado, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Strasburg to 6 miles southwest of Denver, or a line extending from 34 miles east of Denver to 30 miles northwest of Lehman, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour.
Whoa, that's fast.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 3:53 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a 62 miles an hour wind gust was reported northeast of Kiowa.
Whoa.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Morgan, Eastern Aurora, Brush, Bennett, Wiggins, Log Lane Village, Deer Trail, Gary, Hoyt, Shamrock, Weldona, Leader, Manila Village, 12 Mile Corner, Jackson Reservoir, Strasburg, Adana School, Orchard, Byers, and Adana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.